Brian Johnson from LaGrange, Texas. I found Helios Bracing through the internet. Actually, my girlfriend found the website, and I was always hesitant of getting braces just because of the look. But after seeing some of the testimonials and videos that you provided on the website, I was convinced that I needed to visit.
So I see you probably look down a lot when you walk.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, you should have a hip hiking gait where you're lifting up here. Okay, keep going. All right, go back.
From what we did today, it's the first time I've stood freely on my own in probably 10 plus years, which is an amazing feeling. It's just almost a relief of freedom. And then to pick up on the walking so quickly, I'm just excited that I've got my life back is what it really feels like. I won't hesitate to do the things that I used to think about. You know, that was a chore for me to do. So I'm grateful, Mitchell, that you fitted me with these and given me the freedom and the choices and the new life. So thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome, Brian. We just want to see you continue your progress. And also, too, we see that you came in with a cane, right?
Yes.
So in the past, you've been relying on a cane.
Yes.
And
100%, especially around crowds. You know, wanted to let people know I wasn't in a big hurry. But yeah, just going to sporting events and things, that brought a lot of anxiety to me until I got to the seat and was situated. So again, this gives me just new freedoms and a lot of relief, you know, that I can do the things that I used to do.
And you mentioned you go to a sporting events, and you were telling me that you're a professional athlete. Is that correct?
I was. I played baseball at University of Texas, got drafted by the Indians, had a bunch of injuries and retired early. But yeah, you know, that's the thing. At one point in time, I was a decent athlete, and then, you know, to have this CMT kind of take my life away, and being able to play golf and other sports as I aged was taken away. But you know, hopefully my goal is to one day be able to play golf again with these. So looking forward to it, and I know my boys are looking forward to it. So
all right, we look forward to seeing you hitting the golf ball again.
I do too.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you.